Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about algae and fungi. Algae and fungi are studied under the plant classification, and this plant classification is given by Eichler in 1883. Eichler classified plant into two parts, that is cryptogamous and phanerogamous. Cryptogames are the category of plant which have no seed and no flower, whereas phanerogames are that part of the plant which have seed and flowers. Cryptogames are further categorized into Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. Thallophyta is further categorized into algae and fungi. Phanerogames, the category of plant which have no seed and flower, are further categorized into gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnospermae are the part are the category of plant which have naked seed, whereas angiosperm are that category of plant which consist of covered seed. Angiosperms are further categorized into monocot and dicot. In this video, we will learn about Thallophyta. Thallophyta Thallophyta is the largest and the lowest group of the plant kingdom. Their body is like thallus, that is, they cannot be differentiated into root, stem, and leaf. Further, Thallophyta is categorized into algae and fungi. Algae and fungi. Algae. The important point which should be considered in algae that its study is known as phycology. Algae have chlorophyll and thus are autotrophic mode of nutrition. They are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. There are various uses of algae, that is, it can be used as a food, in making iodine, as a manure, in making medicine, or in research. These are the examples of the algae which are used in various fields. Some of the names which should be remembered are nostoc, which is used as food, where in manure we use nostoc, anabina, and canopy. Iodine is derived from laminaria in and eclonia. Laminaria and eclonia helps in deriving iodine. One thing should be remembered here, that is a pond silk. Spirogyra is known as pond silk. It is known as pond silk because it continuously secretes mucilages by dissolution of pectin of the outer layer of the cell wall. Another important algae is cholera. Cholera is also known as space algae, as astronaut uses it as protein food, water, and oxygen. Agar is an algae which is used in the preparation of ice cream and jelly. Another part of Thallophyta is fungi. First part is algae and another part is fungi. The study of fungi is known as mycology. It may be unicellular or multicellular. This should be remembered that the fungi can be both unicellular or multicellular. It does not contain chlorophyll, whereas algae contains chlorophyll. The food accumulated by fungi is known as glycogen, and the cell wall of fungi is known as chitin. These all points should be remembered. That is, food is accumulated in fungi as glycogen and its cell wall is made up of chitin. Some of the examples are yeast, albugo, and mucor. Fungi causes many diseases like rust and smut in plant. Some of the important diseases caused by fungi are loose smut and the rust of wheat. This here it shows the loose smut of the wheat, brown leaf or spot of rice, early blight or late blight, and what disease of potato, red root of sugarcane. This image shows the red root of sugarcane, Ticca disease of groundnut. In Ticca disease, the lesions appears on the leaf of the groundnut. Bread mold is caused by rhizopus. This is the forming of rhizopus fungi on the bread. Yeast is a fungi which reproduces through budding. Alpha toxins are also produced by fungi. Lichen is an organism which are associated with algae and fungi. Saxicolus is a lichen developing